Hello my friend, welcome to my weekly market view video. As you know, I upload market view video every Monday and here is this week's view. Today we are gonna check the Bitcoin's current market price and try to evaluate the possible rise on Bitcoin. But before we start, I have to mention the disclaimer. This video is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All the contents in this video are informative view about the market's current condition. Let's start our analysis on weekly and daily chart. On weekly chart, Bitcoin looks really strong. The correction that I mentioned in my previous video seems completed on 21.4k and the decline of the price rejected from SSL Hybrid's weekly moving average. You might remember my expectation for the turning price of Bitcoin was between 21 and 21.5k, and I'm really happy to make a perfect price prediction one more time. So, what might be the next target for Bitcoin? On a daily basis, Bitcoin is above the Ichimoku cloud and this is a good sign for continuation of Bitcoin's price, but this rise might be rejected from 26k for a while. If the price can pass over that price with a big green candle, its next target will be 30k. Actually, I don't expect a fast direct attack to 30k because I expect from 26k to work as a resistance and the price might idle around or between 25 and 26k for some time. Actually, the reason behind the title I used for this video is because of the 3-box trading setup I saw on daily chart. This is very popular and successful trading strategy that I'm also planning to make a video about. 3-box trading setup consists of an accumulation period, a decline and accumulation period, and a rising period. Anyway, I will mention other more important reasons for upward trend later in this video. When we check out the shorter time period, Bitcoin moves back and forth and trying to find itself a way and collecting the accumulated liquidity for this purpose and stops out most of the small investors with really volatile candle wicks. Yesterday, Bitcoin tried to pass 25k price level, but actually I was expecting a rejection and a stop hunt move to this level cause here there is an imbalance and fair value gap over that level. You might not know these terms and what actually those terms mean. I'm planning to prepare videos about order block, imbalance and fair value gaps as well, cause these are really important points to anticipate market's next move. Actually, in each market, not only for Bitcoin, these areas work as magnet and pull the price to itself. Because liquidity, money accumulates on these areas and market makers want to drive the price to those points to maintain its presence. Especially on these days, market is short of money because of Federal Reserve's monetary tightening decisions. So market is trying to create its own liquidity to keep moving. Many of you might question the reason behind this rise of Bitcoin because the economies in the world, especially in the United States, are not going very well. We are driven to a recession like a high-speed train, so how this rise is possible? As I said a few minutes ago, market is trying to create its own liquidity to survive, and money has been accumulated on the areas I mentioned, and whales, market makers and big funds are driving the price to those points to add liquidity to the market. So I follow these steps of whales by checking the fair value gap, imbalance areas and order blocks, and that's why my price predictions are that successful. I'm a new channel and preparing videos of whale movements, setups and patterns. I will keep uploading many videos in order to help you to see the market from the view of the market makers. Once you learn how to follow the steps of the market maker, you start to ask yourself where or what price might be targeted by them. Here at the price level 30k and above around 40k, there are two important areas that liquidity accumulated. Here, there are some imbalance and fair value gap areas, and if I would be the market maker, I will try to drive the price at those points to add liquidity to the market. So my first target for Bitcoin is 30k. And I will follow its moves there, and if it can pass this level after a correction, my next target will be 40k. Actually, I don't expect a new all-time high from Bitcoin cause this rise is temporary and eventually will end. Cause we cannot talk about a real bull run while Federal Reserve is carrying out monetary tightening decisions. And with the signal of economic crisis and recession, all markets will include United States stocks, commodities, and of course Bitcoin and altcoins will crash. I expect this crash will be really fast at that time and decline of the price will be sharp. Bitcoin might fall till the price 10k, but no worries, cause despite the current doomsdayers saying that Bitcoin will die, it definitely won't. Bitcoin and blockchain is the future, and we'll start its rise one more time for an all-time high from the deep when the Federal Reserve decides to end its monetary tightening politics. The market will get the money that it needs to move forward, and stocks and also for sure Bitcoin will start its upper movement. This is market's never-end circle started long time ago. So for the Bitcoin's journey, I expect the movement to upper price levels keep continuing for a while, but eventually will end with a sharp decline because of the economic conditions of all markets in the world. Thanks for watching till the end, I appreciate it.